Come right here. Open this box. Come here.
Open the box.
You got a present from Thomas. You open?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what you got. Ooh. Look at what's on the box. Do you want to open this first? Or open this? What's that? What's that? Monkey! That's Curious George. Wow! Can you say thank you, Thomas? Okay, you got 3 books. This is for your birthday.
Say thank you, Thomas.
Auntie and Uncle and Thomas.
Sienna.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. That's for your birthday. Okay, this is another one. You open it? Okay, come on. Open. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Okay, let's see what you got. Oh. How about the chain? Look, Choo-Choo, look how cute. Look it. It's pretty. Look it.
That's right.
You want to try? Wait, not right now, honey. In a minute. Look it. Look at that. Thanks in the top. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay, you got some more.
Is that
Oh
Abby
my
Cadabby?
goodness, who's that?
That's Abby Cadabby.
Who's that? What do you say? Thank you, Thomas. Good job, babe. What does she say? Does she sing? Press her tummy.
I'm Abby Cadabby. I'd like to play with you. I'm just so happy to be friends with you.
Wow. Wow.
Let's be friends.
Can you say thank you?
Take it, Daddy.
Thank you, Thomas. Okay, get this. Go get this. Thank you, Thomas.
I'm Abby Cadabby. I'd like to play with you. I'm just so happy to be friends with you.
Look at that. Okay.
Sienna, say thank you, Thomas.
She did.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas.
See you later.
Okay, Sienna. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.